If you want to use a dropdown in Bubble, it's simple, but powerful when configured correctly. Start by dragging the dropdown element onto your page from the Input Forms section. Next, choose your choices style. You have two main options. Static choices, you manually enter a list of options. This works well for fixed items like Basic, Pro, Premium. Dynamic choices, the dropdown pulls data from your database or an option set. For example, search for customers, or a predefined list of roles. Then configure what users see. In the option caption field, define what should be displayed, like current option's name. You can also set a default value, such as current user's type. To use the selected value in Logic, access Dropdown's value inside your workflows. You can trigger actions when the value changes by selecting the event an element's value is changed. For more advanced design customization, you can build your own dropdown style menu using a group focus connected to a button, often combined with a repeating group. This gives you full control over styling and behavior beyond the default dropdown design. So whether you need something simple and static or fully dynamic and database-driven, Bubble's dropdown element adapts to your app's needs.